Little sister learned the hard way. Running your mouth is protected speech, but throwing hands in front of police is probable cause.
Can we talk over there?
Yeah.
Sure. What's going on?
So, whatever. Me and her were sisters.
Okay.
We have the same mom or whatever. I have a baby or whatever. So me and his dad, we broke up or whatever.
Okay.
So we broke up. So as my sister, I come to stay here. I find work. I find job. I changed over my son's milk. Everything was in plans of me being here. Everything. So, sisters fight. Everything, people fight. So today, I'm coming today. So today, it's a lot of people here. That's her girlfriend. She has her girlfriend, siblings and stuff. They all here today or whatever or whatnot. So it's a mess. Everybody, no, not me. The people who not besides me, they messed up everything. Okay. So she's mad and she's taking out everything on me because, she can argue with me. Okay. She can fight with me. We're sisters. Okay. It's not her place to sit there and argue with nobody else's child because it'll cause altercation. If she caused altercation with me, what would it do? But she can't argue with her girlfriends, sisters, and stuff like that because she still want to be with that person. So she's taking her frustration out on me. That's where it lies. Mariah, pick up your bed. Okay, I do it. Mariah, do this. Okay, I do it. And then she talk about some, come wash these dishes. None of that stuff is mine. You do nothing. I do nothing. It's a dog in there that's not supposed to be up in there. I walk him every single day. He's not my dog. Otherwise, if I don't walk him, if I don't feed him, he's been neglected. In the cage all day barking or being hit because she don't know how to be a dog owner and take responsibilities. I do that. That's not my dog. I do it without asking. I pick up his dokie out here without me being asking. I wash their dishes, her and her girlfriend when nobody else is here. I work Monday through Friday. So I'm getting up Monday through Friday and I'm cleaning up the living room and this is Monday through Friday. One day, when somebody else randomly, everyone is here, you want to say I'm not cleaning up something in the morning, we just woken up, everybody just woken up, this is not my stuff. No, you're picking with me. I'm going through a lot of stuff myself. She's going through a lot of stuff, okay, her car problems, her rent problems, stuff. But I'm going through way more problems than you. I'm a mom. I'm only 19, really. I'm trying to figure everything out and battle and everything, but it seems like everybody is against me, to be honest. I'm only 19, but I'm way more hair smart. I'm way more structured. She said she's going through all stuff. Me too. My own dad, he knew I was home. He sat in his house with me and my son outside, knocking on the door. But you're going through something? What? My own baby dad, he know his son nowhere to go. He still, before we're breaking up, putting us out. But you're going through something? What? Really? And it's like, it's so hard when you're doing everything right, but someone picks with you. So yes, you're picking with me. Yes, I'm going to argue back with you. Leave me alone. So now that I'm fighting back with you, now you're mad. Now it's get out. No. You told me you were going to help me. You made sure I got a job out here and I worked out here and I'm getting paid now and I work tomorrow. You're not about to stop me from my money and where I lay my head at. No, bro. No, it don't work like that.
Yeah. How long have you been living there?
Beginning of August.
Okay.
And me and his dad broke up August 8th. I left his house August 9th and I stayed with my auntie for about a week. But it didn't work. She told me to come here. But I could have stayed with my auntie, but it was no work in Kankakee. There's no work. There's no really nothing. So here it was like, oh, I'll help you. I help. So now you want to help. Now you want to take it away because you're bothering me. No, it don't work like that.
Where are you working at?
I'm a teacher. I work at Guidelight Academy.
Okay. Good place to work.
And I plan on moving in the Wood Lakes apartments. I just started working. It's coming on my second week. I get paid for the first time October 1st. Okay. And I get paid October 2nd, so I was going to move in November 1st. Okay. I was going to apply October 1st to my apartment, and it takes approved, but then you got to save 2 checks. Right. Then boom, I was going to put my move-in date for the 1st. Okay. And she knows that. And that even the car right there, we have a plan where that's going to be my car, and I'm going to pay the car note on the car. It's just too much. It's just too much weird stuff. It's weird. I don't understand, but no, I feel like I should not gonna listen. If you check your records, it was just a fight with her and her girlfriend, a big old fight where they almost got put out. Why is she still here?
I don't know.
Go ask her that. Why the girl who fighting her and putting her hands on her and actually listening to her, why are they still here? Okay. But the person who not doing it to you, they gotta go, and their family, It don't make no sense. You check your records, there was a fight here between them two right now. They was talking over there, but bigger.
Okay.
But I didn't attack on the situation because it's not worth my energy.
So this fight was just verbal? You guys
Yes.
just okay. All right. We'll see if we can solve this.
Which one?
Sounds like it's an argument. They had a party or something, people over, and the place got messed up, and she got upset and started taking everything out on her.
Because we're sisters, you know. Can we turn this way? Can you guys get in front of me so she can't read my mouth? Or right here. It's so weird. I'm crying because it's so weird. It's not for you to understand, but it's weird. It's weirder than you think. She's playing victim. She bothers me and she playing victim. She's my big sister and I'm smarter than her. I have a baby and she knows that. She says, okay, he can stay in the bed, but you gotta go. Okay, he can stay here, but you gotta go. What? No, it don't work like that. He's my baby. No, she picks with me. She argues with me. Her own girlfriend, she tell her, no, calm down. It can't be like that. No, you can't do that. But it's still, you cannot sit right here and talk smart to a person in your own home and they expect respect. No, it don't go like that. I'm a regular person and I have feelings too.
I understand that you guys are clashing right now, you know, bumping heads. It sounds like right now she doesn't want you here. Okay. So what that means long term, I'm not really sure. Okay, and whether this is a temporary frustration or this is the end of you, or the end of like your friendship as sisters, I don't know. But
no,
right now,
it's the end.
Okay, well you can make that decision on your own. But right now she doesn't want you.
And that's fine.
Okay.
And I will leave.
Do you have?
No, I don't, and she
Okay.
knows that. That's the up part. She knows I don't. She had a chance to get on her feet. I just came from a relationship where I depended on a man for a whole 2 years. And I have to get back on my feet. Yes, what the f? I was just with somebody for 2 years where he did everything for me. We had a baby. It's only been 2 months. A person don't get back on their feet in 2 months. Our mom is... We both don't have no dad. Okay, she had a job. She had everything. She was on her feet. Nobody kicked her off and said, okay, bye, scramble. She was always on her feet because she was solid. Me, I have to get back on my feet. It's not like I'm just saying up like nothing. No, it's I was in a relationship. We didn't work out. Now I was like, okay, get back on your feet on your own. That's all that it is. I'm not no bum. I'm not homeless. We're nothing. No, it's just me was in a relationship depending on a man and I have to get back on my feet.
Do you have maybe another?
No, is there shelters out here by chance?
I mean, they do. I don't know if they're open for the summer quite yet though, because usually they close most of them during the summer. Okay. Do you have any other family or close friends that you think
I'm gonna call my granddad and
that you think could be more supportive of you and while you're trying to get back up?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna move to Arizona.
Okay. Well, how about we think more short term right now?
Nah, there's nothing here for short term, but I decided to go into Arizona.
Okay. Well, what about right now? Is your baby here with you?
Yes, he's here. So you can tell her that I'm going to talk to Ms. Williams and my stepdad to give me a ticket to Arizona as soon as possible. You can just go tell her that.
We need to think of more of like a right now.
No, she's going to be willing to say that. As long as she knows I'm leaving, she's going to be fine. So you can tell her that I'm going to go to Arizona.
I can talk. I'm like, it's nothing, but I'm not gonna lie, like.
I have to call, can you talk? I have to call people to make a phone call. Yes, to get a ticket to make it. Yes, today I'm not said I want to sit here and do nothing.
Mariah, hold up a second. Hold up.
Because that's just irritating. I'm being ganged up. Oh, no. No, yes, I am. No, I am.
Right.
No, don't put y'all double teaming me.
Bro, I'm not picking nobody picking on sides. It's right
for
from
Arizona. I'm gonna call Miss Williams. She's gonna give my ticket to Arizona. That's simple as that. Stop ganging up on me, bro. Y'all are enemies. Yes.
Do you want to sit at your granddad's until then? Because she don't.
I'm gonna call Miss Williams now. I have to call. Make a phone call.
That's where we gotta take them. Because I got.
No, I can't go there, Kareem. I can't go there.
How you get in?
No, you're an enemy. No, I can't.
See, like it don't have to be like that.
No,
It don't have to be like that. You have to.
Before you told me to call the police. The police don't have to be here. It is. No, bro. I'm gonna go to Arizona.
Hold up a second. Hold up 1 second. Okay.
Me, bro. I'm being double
Okay,
teamed.
nobody's.
Double team always.
Right, we're trying
That's what she always do.
Okay.
Every time she get in double team me every
Stop
time.
for a second. Stop.
Hey, that's what
Okay,
it is.
if you're not letting me talk, you're not listening. Okay, you can't be talking and listening at the same time. So give me a minute and let me figure out, because you guys are both talking over each other and I can't understand any of it. What were you guys discussing about her saying if she had figured something out
I
before?
told her to figure something out for her to go, and I would drop her off.
Before y'all came, before
she
we
told
called y'all,
me,
we
call the
told
police. She said she not doing anything. Call the police.
Okay.
That's what she said.
Okay.
Now she want to sit up here. Now what she? So when is tickets supposed to be bought?
Well, she wants to purchase tickets to go to Arizona, but she.
You show me. You read the messages I tell her to show your loyalty. I'm not playing no victim, nothing. I don't care. You call the police, cream. I'm going to call.
I'm just trying to find out a solution.
I'm going to call. She said, Margaret, I cannot go to Margaret's house. He cannot have a baby in this house. Do the baby cry? And this just went on just now. Can the mother get an hour to themselves to make phone calls, to make arrangements? Yes. Can you stop calling her? Talk to her myself.
That's why I was trying to tell you now. I'm like, because she was serious about calling him. I'm like,
I don't care. She is.
Listen, what you look what you doing.
Mariah, why don't you start making your phone calls?
She's doing it for me. Why is she doing it for me?
Before they
I don't know who she's calling.
She's calling one
calling
of their
people.
family, so they know the same
Yes.
people. But before she's calling, she gave you the option for you to call before these people have to come. We cannot have them coming out here, bro. It's going to be a problem. We cannot keep having y'all come out here. Well, y'all didn't keep.
So your long-term goal right now is to get to Arizona.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we make the first step today
doing it.
to make that happen?
She's on the phone with people right now.
Okay.
She's
Do we
doing
know
it.
what people she's
No, and then she
contacting?
said she's gonna call my granddad. I cannot go to my granddad's house because the baby cannot live in this house.
Okay, not even for one night?
No.
He can't
She knows that. No.
he can't suck it up for
No,
one night?
She knows that. She knows that. He always been that way. So she's for her to say that, let's call him, is no.
Okay.
Because the baby
There's
cannot
no
live in-
other
no,
family or
no.
friend that
All we
would
have is
support
our
you
granddad.
for one night
No,
while
all we
you
have-
figure it out?
No, all we have is our granddad. When she left her
Go back to
granddad,
Auntie in Kankakee.
no, I'm not going back there. Listen, this is what she's doing here. Can I talk? This is nothing new. I'm telling you. It's just, it hurts and it cries when a person sat right here and put an image where they change so gladly. But this relationship thing, no, but this thing with the relationships, this is nothing new. She always does this. So her doing this to me, her snaking me, her snake is personal. It's personal. Tori, she always does this. So stop. Okay, but she has to fix herself too.
Hold on, Mariah, let me hear her.
She said that she don't have money to send you a ticket.
I don't have no money either. So
what's the
you got
next
homeless
option?
shelter. Take us to the homeless shelter in Chicago.
Okay, where's the homeless shelter?
In Chicago.
Okay, get your stuff. Let's go.
No.
That's an agreement.
So when they leave, okay.
No, I want them to stand here.
No,
and
they
get
can.
your
No,
stuff.
I have too much. They don't have to. They can't sit right here and make a scene and stand while I pack my
They're
stuff.
not making a scene.
stand
They're
there.
doing their job.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so
I
come
get
on.
it.
If you would do it without them, if you say
No,
you're not,
I ain't
I'm
no
gonna
right. She's
call
not
the
gonna do it without
shelter.
them.
Yes, I will. What the f is wrong with her? She thinks she's somebody. Come on, I'm going. She's gonna take me to the homeless shelter in Chicago. Simple as that. We're gonna go to shelter in Chicago. Come on.
Your baby's here?
My baby is here.
Is anybody in the house with said baby?
Yes. So come on, let's get my stuff. Let's go. When she leaves, I can leave.
Okay.
If y'all want us to sit in y'all car and stuff, while y'all can, I'm gonna be in there.
You guys are going to be cooperative. We're not
Yeah.
going to. We don't necessarily need to stick around unless there's going to be problems. Is there going to be problems while she packs up her stuff?
She just told me to pack
I
her stuff.
have
That's
to
what I'm talking
call.
about.
No, I have to call
Okay, so
shelter.
y'all just sit here real quick. And
Yes, but I have to
It
call.
ain't gonna take no more than 30 minutes.
No, it's gonna take. It's not gonna. I have to call the shelter to make sure where I'm going, I can get in and stuff.
call.
I'm gonna stay in the house and do it. They can come in and out. I'm gonna go to my dad's house.
You want to respect you?
Yes, I'm gonna sit outside my dad's house till we get there. So come on.
Oh, so you gonna take it to your daddy house?
Yes.
Where's that at in the city?
Help me with my stuff.
His stuff is
Get the
talking to him.
bags. Help
Okay,
me.
hold on. How about a please, for one?
Thank you.
And if you want help, please ask with respect, okay? Because I wouldn't help you either if you're demanding of it like that,
Because
okay?
she wants me out of here. I'm trying to go.
I understand
I'm
she wants you
uncomfortable.
out. That doesn't mean we have to be discourteous to people.
Now she wants to be calm and not know, bro.
Okay, well, nobody was calm when we got here, so we're trying to make things
I
calm.
don't want to stay calm. She's an enemy to me.
Okay, which is fine. We've now established that. Are you going to drive her?
I gotta.
Are you? Is that gonna?
We gonna be
Is
in the
that
car.
gonna
I'm
work?
gonna be in the car. They're not gonna argue.
Okay.
It's not gonna be nothing.
I'm
I'm
not
sorry.
gonna
It's
argue.
civilized.
So is all
It's
your
not
stuff
gonna- it's not-
packed
it's
that
not
we can
gonna
get it into the car?
No, I have to. I have dirty clothes. I have to put it in the bag. I have my baby.
I gave you the bags. They sit in by the
Okay,
Okay.
look. Okay, yeah,
But
it's
it's more
cool. We
stuff.
know
I have
it's
my
gonna
vanity
we
bike.
gonna refinish. She said
Okay.
she
A lot
said
of
we
stuff
finna
that I
take
have
it.
to
You
get.
want
Well, you may have to come back for a couple things.
No, I don't want to come back.
Yeah, everything not gonna fit in the car. Man.
Yeah.
We gonna try to fit. Calm down. We gonna try to fit everything in the car. You gonna get most of your stuff. Come on, I'm finna help you fit it in the car, bro. Lydia gonna trail us. Come on, Lydia gonna trail. We gonna put the rest of the stuff in the car. I'm gonna have my sister trail us. Come on, my sister here. Come on, Mariah.
She just put hands on me. I want to press charges. She gotta go. She just attacked me. She was laughing in my face. Yes, she was. Go to jail. Take me to jail. You was laughing in my face. Take me to jail. She just look at my neck. Take my phone. Take my phone.
Hold on.
She was in my face laughing at me. She didn't go. Take me to jail.
Hold on a second.
No, take me to jail.
That loud shit. Go ahead, because that's disrupting this peace, bro. You speaking, bro.
I don't care. Press charges. Take me to jail. I don't care. She was in my face laughing at me. She antagonized me. She came in there antagonizing me, laughing in my face.
So what happened?
She came in there in my face. I was in there crying. I told a girl to help. I said, I need your help. She said, in my face, laughing like, look, babe, and laughing at me. So I attacked her. She antagonized me. Yes. She came in there bothering me in my face, laughing at me, and she antagonized me. Yes. She
Hold up. I'm talking to you now.
Time out.
She snatched the shit first and then attacked.
She was laughing in my face, babe. Laughing at me.
Did you hit her?
I pushed her, yes. I pushed her, yes, I did. Can I get my phone?
I'll grab your phone.
It's on the charger right there. And my shoes.
We had a plan, and
No, she antagonized me.
Well-
She antagonized me.
okay.
She antagonized
All
me.
you had to do was keep your wits about you, and you'd have been going to Stock
No, she
Village.
came
Hold
in
on,
there
hold on,
laughing
hold
at
on.
me.
Let me talk. All you had to do is keep your wits about you, regardless of what anybody says. Now you're the one that's going to jail. You're going to spend a night in jail, and we got to call DCFS on your child.
They called the on my baby.
Well, we have
He
to.
has a dad. He has a dad.
Stop a second. Stop. Are you okay with your baby staying here? Okay. No, the baby will stay here if you're fine with the. Hold up a second. If you're fine with the baby staying here, we can keep the baby here with your sister. Are you okay with that? Okay.
The baby, but you're going because you just acted a fool, right?
Just stop.
I don't care. No, just take it to my
We're
dad.
keeping the
Take
baby.
him to his dad.
Okay, we're gonna take him.
my
Okay, we're
baby.
gonna take him to his baby, but you gotta
Call my dad. Tell him I'm in jail, bro. Can I get my phone, bro?
Absolutely.
Get my phone, bro. I don't want it with my baby, bro.
Sam 20, show one female in custody.
Get my phone.
Show, grab your phone. You're going to go with me. Have a seat. Watch your head and your knees. I got to buckle you in.
Emotional distress does not expand self-defense rights. Words alone do not justify force. The moment she chose to respond physically, even with a push, the legal authority shifted from her to the state. She was charged with criminal trespass under family violence and battery under family violence, first offense. 2 distinct counts arising from a single incident. 1 shove. 2 charges, 0 sympathy from the statute. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.